Ublaloatak, Kanuik Pizzy. Today is Friday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try. Do your best. Cooperate with others. And let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Well, we've got some exciting announcements this morning. First, we'll go over some information for our basketball games today. Our Friday schedule today involves games at 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and 8 o'clock. Which teams? We have to wait and make sure the teams actually get here before we give you a final schedule. Right now, KTS is likely to be playing at 3 and at 8, but we'll see if that changes. How much will it cost to go to the game? Well, it's $3 for adults and $1 for students for each game. Reminder, children 10 and under must be with an adult. And if you're out running around in the commons or causing a bunch of hullabaloo, we'll let that adult know what you're doing, and then we will send you home if it keeps up. So please be on your good behavior and don't run around tonight. Saturday's games are planned for 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6:30, a middle school game, and 7:45. Right now, the plan is to have Huskies play on the 7:45 game. The prices will be the same, just like Fridays. A reminder that children 10 and under must be with an adult to attend the games. If you're little and you come and buy some concessions food and sit and eat it, you'll be asked to leave after you're done or to leave and take your food with you if there's some kind of problem. So be on your good behavior and things will be just fine. When is concessions, you might ask? Well, as of Thursday night, the times have not been defined. We'll be sure to put up a sign as soon as we know, and we'll also do a text out to parents so that they'll know. We will not be serving pizza this go around as we had difficulty getting in a good supply. Our next topic of discussion is our water bottle filling station. As you know, we have 2 water bottle filling stations in our school. One in the commons and one between the high school bathrooms by the gym. Does anybody know what's happened to the water bottle station by the bathrooms by the gym? Yes, that's right. It's broken. Today, we'll talk about why and how it got broken. This will help people understand how to take care of our water bottle filling station so that the other one doesn't break. Okay, take a look right here. This little item right here is called the sensor. Now, water bottle filling sensors are touch-free. You place the water bottle in front of the sensor, and it senses the water bottle there and starts to turn the water on. Now, I'd like you to think for a minute if we have been using our water bottle filling stations in a touch-free way. Obviously, no. We've had a big problem with kids coming up and touching the sensors and then sticking their heads or their faces or their mouths or their hands under the running water. So what often happens when we don't use things properly? Like, if you took your bike swimming, what would happen to your bike? Probably break. If you used your sealskin gloves to wash dishes, what would happen to them? They would get ruined. So that's what we've got right here, guys. The water bottle filler station by the bathroom is broken because kids have been touching the sensor, and that's not how the sensor gets used. And it's broken. You might think that's no big deal, right? Well, how much does one of these water bottle fillers cost? An inexpensive one is $798, and you can get a similar one to this for $1,798. That's a lot of money. How much does it cost for a new sensor? $259. That's a lot of money too. So which one's cheaper? We will probably have to buy a sensor. But now I have a question. Why should we buy a new water bottle sensor or a new water bottle filler if kids are just going to do the same thing again? Wouldn't make sense. So what we need to do is change the behavior. We need to stop touching the sensor with our hands. It doesn't work that way. We're going to break the other water bottle filler also. With hope and trust that you will all stop touching the sensor on the water bottle filler with your hands, sticking your face and hands in the water, we're going to order a new sensor. However, we're not going to put it in unless we see the behavior stop in the comments. You've all been given a water bottle. You can all bring a water bottle from home. Please be responsible. Stop touching the sensor. Bring yourself a water bottle. Fill it up with water a couple times a day. Have lots of good water to drink. We'll try to get the other water bottle filler up and running, so hopefully we can have 2 again. In order to do this, everyone's going to have to remind each other too. Look around you. Not everybody's here to see this video. Maybe people will show it again. I hope so. Let's work together, change the behavior, we can get things fixed, and we can get back to having 2 nice, really well-working water bottle fillers. And we can't touch the sensors anymore, okay? Okay, 3 girls basketball teams coming today. It's going to be a great, exciting, and fun weekend. Please remember, if you're 10 or younger, you need an adult to accompany you to hang out at the school and hang out in the gym. So plan ahead. It'll cost you $1 to get in, $3 for adults, and let's have a great weekend and a good day in school today.